This is on my video talking about Facebook Blueprint certification program. Now, for those who know me, I'm actually a Facebook Blueprint certified professional since 2017. So this is a certification program where we need to go through recertification exam every year to stay certified. Meaning that, we need to go through the learning again to make sure that we are up to date, to make sure that we are, on par, to make sure that we are not some, some talkers that do not have real experience in managing this, because in order to go through the exam, the questions are quite tricky. So I've been certified since 2017, and up to now, this is already my fifth years running this. I'm still a Facebook Blueprint certified planning and buying professional as of we're making this video right now. So if you're new to this program, basically per exam is $75 US dollars. Okay, so how do you want to study this thing? My recommendation is very simple. You have to go through all the learning materials provided. You just need to go and Google Facebook Blueprint, then you will see that, okay? Go through the learning program, which is usually some online learning videos and all that. Go through that. Second is I strongly recommend that you run some ads first before going through the exam, because it is very technical. Okay, so if you're not ready, then probably run some ads first, because it's not that important to stay certified unless you're like me, because I'm an expert, I'm a coach, and I'm an agency, back then when I was still running my agency. So I need to have this qualification to showcase to my clients that, hey, this is real deal, right? But if you're not, right, this is not important. But if you're doing this for job, then I would say to actually minimize the risk of losing the $75, because the moment you fail it, you need to pay again to, to receipt the paper. So I would recommend that you run some ads, serious ads. You got to manage some serious campaigns. You probably want to go through at least a few rounds, a few months. You need to use at least all of the objectives available. Then I would say not all, maybe we have to use at least 8 of them. Okay, so you are ready for the exam. Else, it might be quite tricky. I'm just saying it might be quite tricky. Yeah, so it's $75 per exam. There are quite a number of papers over there, meaning that there are quite a lot of certificates available. So you can go and explore. I mean, I would say if you are buying and planning, then buying and planning are essential ones. But let me actually put this first. I mean, upfront here, it's not as straightforward. That's why experience is very important in order to pass the exam.